Ladies, if your boyfriend's car has one of these sticks that doesn't go side to side and only has 2 pedals, your boyfriend is probably your girlfriend. But if his car has got one of these wiggly sticks and 3 pedals, you're dating a fucking man. And that 3rd pedal is for his schlong.
Obliterating everything is generated, renegade, I'm gonna make anybody who want it with a pin and frame. Don't nobody want it, but they're gonna get it anyway. I'm beginning to feel like I'm mentally ill until it.
Shut up, idiot.
Ooh!
Everybody talking about that 0 to 60 time and like, oh, how fast do your car go? 0 to 60. Boy, I'm not talking about that 0 to 60, okay? I'm talking about that 0 to 140, all right? Watch this. Wah!
سويت هاي ارفع على النت دايره ازاي يا اخوي مشيها ازاي استنى على الفيسبوك ابو عيد عاش يخرب بيت التلفونات يا راجل ارجع Turn the lights on, nigga! Turn the lights on, nigga! Oh! Oh, man! Oh, man! Oh, man! Psych! Psych! Ah! No, sir! Oh, sir! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! No! Oh, look at all these lawnmowers that are never going to be used.
Wow! Brand new car! Wow!
Yeah.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Like Zoink Scoob, I think she's got an extra chromosome. Ruh-roh, Raggy, retard!